alpha and beta are supplementary angles, then sine square alpha plus sine square cos square beta is equal to dash. Here is given alpha comma beta are supplementary angles. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. From this equation, beta is equal to 180 minus alpha. Sine square alpha plus cos square beta is equal to sine square alpha plus cos square beta. Beta value is 180 minus of alpha. Cos 180 minus alpha lies in second quadrant. Sine square alpha plus cos square 180 minus alpha is cos square alpha. So cos 180 minus alpha is equal to minus cos alpha. Squaring on both sides, that is cos square of 180 minus alpha is equal to cos square alpha. So sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So first option is correct. Sine 120 degrees into cos 150 degrees minus cos 240 degrees into sine 330 degrees is equal to dash. Here is first we find the value of sine 120 degrees. Sine 120 is written as sine of 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive. Here is 90. Sine changes to cos. That is cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Second one, cos 150 degrees. Cos 150 is written as cos of 180 minus 30 degrees. 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos negative. Here is 180. Cos changes to cos 30 degrees, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Cos 240. Cos 240 is written as cos of 180 plus 60. 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos negative. Here is 180. Cos changes to cos, that is cos 60 degree, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine 330 degrees. Sine 330 is written as sine of 360 minus 30. 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine negative minus sine 30, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Substituting these values in the given problem, that is sine 120 degree cos 150 degrees minus cos 240 degrees sine 330 degrees. Sine 120 degrees is root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2 minus cos 240 minus 1 by 2 sine 330 minus 1 by 2. So here is root 3 into root 3 minus 3 by 4, minus into minus plus, that is minus 1 by 4, that is equal to minus 4 by 4, that is equal to minus 1. That is second option. If tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3, then sin theta is dash. So here is given tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So theta is negative, that means theta belongs to Q2 or Q4, that is tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 means in right angle triangle opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Here is theta belongs to Q2. In Q2, sin theta is positive, or in Q4 sin theta is negative, that is sin theta is equal to, from this figure sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. That is, second option is correct. Tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus tan 60 degrees plus up to dash dash. Tan 140 degrees plus tan 160 degrees plus tan 180 degrees is equal to dash. Here is given tan 20 degrees, tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus tan 60 degrees plus up to dash dash. Tan 140 degree plus tan 160 degree plus tan 180 degrees. If a plus b is equal to 180 degree, then tan a plus tan b is equal to 0. If a plus b is equal to 180 degree, then tan a plus tan b is equal to 0. Here first value is tan 20 degree plus last but one value is tan 160 degrees plus second value is tan 140 degree and tan 40 degree and tan 140 degrees up to dash dash plus last value is tan 180 degrees. Here is tan 20 plus tan 160. Here is 20 plus 160 is 180. That is tan a plus tan b is equal to 0. So this value is 0 plus tan 40 plus tan 140 value is also 0 up to dash dash. Last value tan 180 value is also 0. That is equal to 0. It is first of cos 24 plus cos 55 degree plus cos 125 degree plus cos 204 degrees is equal to dash. Here is given cos 24 degrees plus cos 55 degrees plus cos 125 degree plus cos 204 degrees. That is equal to cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree plus cos 125 degree is written as 180 minus 55 degrees plus cos 204 degrees is cos 180 plus 24 degrees. That is equal to cos 24 plus cos 55. Cos 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos negative, that value is cos 55 degree plus cos 180 plus 24 lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos negative, that is cos 24 degrees. Cos 24 degree, cos 24 degree cancel. Cos 55 and cos 55 cancel. That is equal to 0. So here is second option is correct answer. Log sin 1 degree into log sin 2 degree into log sin 3 degree plus up to dash dash. Log sin 179 degrees is equal to dash. Here is given log sin 1 degree into log sin 2 degree into log sin 3 degree up to dash dash. In between these two, log sin 90 degree up to dash dash log of sin 179 degrees. Here is sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. That is log of sin 1 degree log of sin 2 degree up to dash dash. Sin 90 value is 1. That is log 1 into up to dash dash log of sin 179 degrees. Here is log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. So 0 into this total value is equal to 0. That is the answer. Second option is correct answer. If f of x is equal to cos square x plus secant square x, then first option f of x less than 1, f of x greater than 1, third one f of x greater than or equal to 2, fourth one 1 less than f of x less than 2. Here is given f of x is equal to cos square x plus secant square x. Cos square x plus secant square x, applying am greater than or equal to gm, that is cos square x plus secant square x by 2, which is greater than or equal to square root of cos square x into secant square x, that is cos square x into secant square x, that value is 1, plus secant square x by 2, which is greater than or equal to, that value is 1, that is root 1 is 1. So cos square x plus secant square x, which is always greater than or equal to 2, that is f of x greater than or equal to 2. Third option is correct answer. If sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3, then cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equal to dash. Here is given sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3. This is written as sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 is equal to 3 is written as 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is sin theta 1 is equal to 1 and sin theta 2 is equal to 1 and sin theta 3 is equal to 1. Sin theta is 1 is equal to 1 means theta 1 is equal to 90 degrees, that is pi by 2. Sin theta 2 is equal to 1 means theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. Sin theta 3 is equal to 1 means theta 3 is equal to pi by 2. Substituting theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 in this equation, that is cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equal to, that is cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2, that is equal to cos 90 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. So second option is 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Here is given 3 into sin x minus cos x whole to the power of 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Put x is equal to 0 degree or 90 degrees, that is pi by 2. 3 into put x is equal to 0 degree, that is sin 0 0 minus cos 0 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 6 into sin 0 0 plus cos 0 1 whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x, that is 0, cos power 6x, that is 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole power 4 plus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 whole power 4 is 1, that is plus 1, that is 3 plus 6 plus 4, that is equal to 13. Fourth option is correct answer. Cos cube A plus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A plus cos cube A minus sin cube A by cos A plus sin A is equal to k. Then the value of k is dash. Put capital A is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees. So put A is equal to 0 degrees, that is cos cube 0 degree, that is cos cube 0 degree is 1 plus sin cube 0 degree is 0 by cos A, cos 0 degree is 1 plus sin 0 degree 1, cos cube, that is 1 minus sin cube 0 degree is 0 by cos 0 degree 1 plus sin 0 degree 0, that is equal to k, that is 1 by 1 is 1 plus 1 by 1 is 1, that is equal to k, where k is equal to 2, that is the answer. Second option is correct. Cos 255 degrees plus sin 165 degrees is equal to dash. So here is given cos 255 degree, so that is equal to cos of 270 minus 15 degree. Here is 270 minus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos negative, here is 270, cos changes to sin, that is sin 15 degrees, and sine 165 degrees is equal to sine of 180 minus 15 degree. Sine 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive. Here is 180. Sine changes to sine, that is sine 15 degree. Substituting these values in this equation, that is cos 255 degree plus sine of 165 degree is equal to minus sine 15 degree plus sine 15 degrees, plus sine 15 degree minus sine 15 degree cancelled, that is equal to 0. Third option is correct answer. If theta is acute angle, then tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Then cosec square theta minus secant square theta by cosec square theta plus secant square theta is equal to dash. Here is given theta is acute angle and tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. From this equation, cot theta is equal to root 7. So cosec square theta minus secant square theta by cosec square theta plus secant square theta is equal to, the value of cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta minus secant square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta by cosec square theta, that is 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta, that is cot square theta minus tan square theta by, here is 1 plus 1 2 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. Substituting cot square theta and tan square theta, cot square theta is 7 minus tan square theta, that is 1 by 7 by 2 plus cot square theta is 7 plus tan square theta is 1 by 7. So that is equal to 7 into 7, 49 minus 1 by 7 by 7 into 2, 14 plus 49 plus 1 by 7. Here is 7 7 cancelled, 49 minus 1, that is 48 by 49 plus 1, 50 plus 14, that is 64, that is equal to 16 into 3, 48 by 64 is 16 into 4, that is 16 16 cancelled, that is equal to 3 by 4, that is first option. If tan 35 degrees is equal to k, then the value of tan 145 degree minus tan 125 degree by 1 plus tan 145 degree into tan 125 degree. Here is given tan 35 degrees is equal to k. So now first we find the value of tan 145 degree. Tan 145 is written as tan of 180 minus 35. Tan of 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan negative, that is tan 35 degree minus tan 35 degree, that is equal to minus k. And find the value of tan 125 degree. Tan 125 degree is written as tan of 90 plus 35 degrees. 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan negative, that is cot 35 degree. This is written as minus 1 by tan 35 degree, that is equal to minus 1 by tan 35 degree is k. Substituting these values in this equation, that is tan 145 degree minus tan 125 degree by 1 plus tan 145 degree into tan 125 degree, that is tan 145 degree is minus k minus tan 125 degree is minus 1 by k by 1 plus minus k into minus 1 by k, that is equal to minus k plus 1 by k by 1 plus, it is k cancelled, that is 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus k square plus 1 by 2k. This is written as 1 minus k square by 2k. This is the answer. cosec A plus cot A is equal to 2 by 3. Then find the value of cos A. That is, here is given cosec A plus cot A, that is equal to 2 by 3. From this equation, cosec A minus cot A is equal to 3 by 2. Add these two equations. This is first equation and second equation. First equation plus second equation. Here is cot A plus cot A cancel. That is cosec A plus cosec A is equal to 2 cosec A is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. That is 2 cosec A is equal to, take LCM, that is 6. 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9, that is 13 by 6. So cosec A is equal to 13 by 12. Now subtracting these two equations, first equation minus second equation, that implies cosec A cancel, cot A plus cot A, that is 2 cot A is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. 2 cot A is equal to 4 minus 9 by 6. Cot A is equal to, that is minus 5 by 12. Here is cosec A is positive and cot A is negative. That is, capital A lies in Q2, in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosec A positive, cot A negative. So capital A lies in Q2. Now we find the value of cos A. So cos A is equal to cos, this is written as cot A by cosec A. From these two equations, cot A is minus 5 by 12 by cosec A is 13 by 12. 12 cancelled. Therefore cos A is equal to minus 5 by 13. That is, third option is correct answer. If tan theta is equal to P by Q, then find the value of P sin theta minus Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. That is, P sin theta minus Q cos theta by P sin theta plus Q cos theta. Take cos theta common in numerator and denominator. That is, P sin theta by cos theta minus Q by cos theta, take common in denominator also. P into sin theta by cos theta plus Q. So cos theta cancel. That is equal to P tan theta minus Q by P tan theta plus Q. That is, P into tan theta value is P by Q minus Q by P into tan theta value is given P by Q plus Q. Take LCM, P square minus Q square by Q by P square plus Q square by Q. Q cancel. That is equal to P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. This is the answer. In triangle ABC, tan of A minus B minus C value is dash. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. From this, B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Substituting this in this given equation, tan of A minus of B plus C. That is, tan of A minus B plus C value is 180 degrees minus A. That is equal to tan of A minus 180 plus A. That is equal to tan of minus of 180 plus 2A. Take 1 minus common, tan of minus of 180 minus 2A. That is equal to minus tan 180 degrees minus 2A. So 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan negative, that is minus of minus tan 2A. That value is minus into minus plus, that is tan 2A. That is the answer. If A cos theta is equal to B sin theta and A cos cube theta plus B sin cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta, then A square plus B square is equal to dash. Here is given A cos theta is equal to b sin theta, comma a cos cube theta plus b sin cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. So put theta is equal to 45 degrees. So a cos 45 degree is equal to b sin 45 degree. So a by root 2 is equal to b by root 2. From this equation a is equal to b. Substituting theta is equal to 45 in this equation. A into cos cube 45 degree plus b into sin cube of 45 degree, that is equal to sin 45 into cos 45 degree. A into cos cube 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole cube plus b into sin 45, 1 by root 2 whole cube is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole cube is a by 2 root 2 plus b by 2 root 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So a plus b by 2 root 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here is 2 cancelled. A plus b is equal to root 2. From here is a is equal to b and a plus b is equal to root 2. Substituting b value is a, that is a plus a is equal to root 2. 2a is equal to root 2. A is equal to root 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. So a value is equal to b value is equal to 1 by root 2. Substituting these values in this equation, that is a square plus b square, that is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. That is the answer. Second option is correct answer. If a sin square theta plus b cos square theta is equal to c, then the value of tan square theta is dash. Here is given equation is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta is equal to c. So take cos square theta common, that is a into sin square theta by cos square theta plus b is equal to c. This is a tan square theta plus b is equal to cos square theta, take this side, that is c by cos square theta, that is c into secant square theta. A tan square theta plus b is equal to c into secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So a tan square theta plus b is equal to c plus c tan square theta. So that is a tan square theta minus c tan square theta is equal to c minus b. Take tan square theta common, tan square theta into a minus c is equal to c minus b. Therefore tan square theta is equal to c minus b by a minus c. That is the answer. Here is given sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2. Then the value of sin power 8x plus cosec power 8x is dash. Here is given sin x plus cosec x is equal to 2. This is written as sin x plus cosec x is 1 by sin x is equal to 2. Take LCM, sin square x plus 1 by sin x is equal to 2. Sin square x plus 1 is equal to 2 sin x. This is sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, this is a minus b whole square, that is sin x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. From this, sin x is equal to 1, x is equal to 90 degree. Substituting 90 degree in this equation, sin power 8x plus cosec power 8x, x value is pi by 2, that is sin power 8 pi by 2 plus cosec power 8 pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, that is 1 power 8 plus cosec pi by 2 is 1, that is 1 power 8. 1 power 8 plus 1 power 8, that is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is the answer. If sin theta comma cos theta are the roots of px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, then the value of q square minus p square is equal to dash. Here is given quadratic equation is given, that is px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Sin theta comma cos theta are the roots. Now we find the sum of the roots. Sum is equal to sin theta plus cos theta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus q by p, and product of the roots is equal to sin theta into cos theta is equal to c by a, that is r by p. From these two this is first equation and second equation. From these two equations, sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta value is minus q by p whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 into sin theta cos theta value is r by p, that is q square by p square minus 1 is equal to 2r by p. So take LCM, that is q square minus p square by p square is equal to 2r by p. So 1p cancelled on both sides, that is q square minus p square by p is equal to 2r. From this equation, q square minus p square is equal to 2rp. This is the answer. So fourth option is correct answer. Under root of 1 minus sin square 100 into sec 100 degrees is equal to dash. It is given under root of 1 minus sin square 100 degree into sec 100 degrees. Here is given 1 minus sin square 100 into sec 100. These 100 degrees belongs to q2. So 1 minus sin square 100 degree is plus or minus cos 100 degrees into sec 100 degrees. Here is 100 degrees belongs to q2. Here is plus or minus. Take in second quadrant, cos is negative, that is minus cos 100 degrees into sec 100 degrees is written as 1 by cos 100 degree. Cos 100 cancelled, that is equal to minus 1 answer. First option is correct. Under root of 1 minus sin square 200 degrees into sec 200 degrees is equal to, here is given 200 degrees. This 200 degrees belongs to q3. So 1 minus sin square under root of 1 minus sin square 200 degree into sec 200 degrees is equal to 1 minus 200 degrees in q3, that is 1 minus 200 degrees value is minus cos 200 degrees, because cos negative in q3, into sec 200 degrees, that is equal to minus cos 200 degrees into sec 200 degrees is 1 by cos 200 degrees. Cos 200 cancelled, that is equal to minus 1. Here is second option is, if 5 cos theta plus 7 sin theta is equal to 7, then 7 cos theta minus 5 sin theta value is dash. Here is given 5 cos theta plus 7 sin theta is equal to 7. Put to theta is equal to 90 degree. 5 by 2, 90 degrees. That implies 5 into cos 90 plus 7 sin 90. That is equal to 5 into cos 90 is 0 plus 7 into sin 90 is 1, that is equal to 7. Equation satisfied from theta is equal to 90 degree. Now we substitute these value, 7 cos theta minus 5 sin theta. Substituting theta is equal to 90 degree in this equation. 7 into cos 90 minus 5 sin 90 degrees. That is 7 into cos 90 0 minus 5 into sin 90 1, that is equal to 0 minus 5. that is equal to minus 5. So fourth option is correct answer. If 2 sin x plus 5 cos y plus 7 sin z is equal to 14, then 7 tan x by 2 plus 4 cos y minus 6 cos z is equal to dash. Here is given 2 into sin x plus 5 cos y plus 7 sin z is equal to 14. Verifying this equation, put x is equal to and z is equal to 90 degrees and y is equal to 0 degrees. Substituting this, 2 into sin x, that is sin 90, that is 1, plus 5 into cos y, that is cos 0 degree is 1, plus 7 into sin 90 degree is 1, that is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 14. So equation is satisfied. Substituting these values in this given equation, that is 7 tan x by 2 plus 4 cos y minus 6 cos z, that is equal to 7 into tan x by 2, x value is 90 by 2, plus 4 into cos y, that is cos 0 degree, minus 6 into cos z, that is cos 90 degree, that is equal to 7 into tan 90 by 2 is tan 45, plus 4 into cos 0 degree minus 6 into cos 90, that is equal to 7 into tan 45 is 1, plus 4 into cos 0 is 1, minus 6 into cos 90 is 0, that is equal to 7 plus 4 minus 0, that is equal to 11. So second option is correct answer. If secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3, then theta lies in the quadrant. So here is given secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. Now we find the value of secant theta plus tan theta, that is equal to 1 by 3. Add these two equations, secant theta plus secant theta, that is 2 secant theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 9 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3. Therefore secant theta is equal to 5 by 3. So secant theta is equal to positive value. So secant theta is positive in theta belongs to q1 and q4. So now subtracting these two equations, that is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 and secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3. Subtracting these two equations, secant theta cancel. Tan theta plus tan theta, that is 2 tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus 3. So 2 tan theta is equal to 1 minus 9 by 3. So tan 2 tan theta is equal to minus 8 by 3. Tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So here is theta is negative, that implies theta belongs to, tan theta is negative in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So from these two equations, this is first equation and this is second equation, from these two equations theta belongs to q4, common quadrant is q4. So fourth option is correct answer. If sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, then the value of k is, here is given sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that is a plus b whole square, sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square, that is cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into secant theta is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Here is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that value is 1, plus cosec square theta is written as 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 into sin theta cosec theta value is 1 plus secant square theta. Secant square theta value is 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta is 1. That is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. That is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 2 plus 2 into 1, that is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 into 1 7, that is 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta, that is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Equating these two equations, k is equal to 7. That is the answer. Third option is correct answer. Cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1 is given. Then the value of sin power 8x plus 2 sin power 6x plus sin power 4x is equal to dash. Here is given cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From this equation, cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So cos x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So sin power 8x plus 2 sin power 6x plus sin power 4x, that is equal to sin power 8x is written as sin power 4x whole square plus 2 sin power 6x is written as sin power 4x into sin square x plus sin power 4x is written as sin square x whole square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to sin power 4x plus sin square x whole square, that is equal to sin power x 4x value, that is sin square x is cos x, sin power 4x is cos square x plus sin square x is cos x whole square. Now given cos square x plus cos x is 1, that is 1 square, that is equal to 1. Second option is correct answer. If tan of alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 and tan of alpha minus beta is equal to 1, then tan 6 beta is equal to dash. Here is given tan of alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 and tan of alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to root 3. This is tan of alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 value is tan 60 degrees. Both sides tan cancelled. Alpha plus beta is equal to 60 degree. From this equation, tan of alpha minus beta is equal to tan 45 degree. So alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degrees. This is the second equation and this is the first equation. First equation minus second equation, that is alpha plus beta minus alpha plus beta is equal to 60 minus 45 degrees. Alpha cancelled. Therefore 2 beta is equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15 degrees. Multiplying by 3 on both sides, 3 into 2 beta is equal to 3 into 15 degrees, that is 6 beta is equal to 45 degree. So now tan 6 beta is equal to tan of 6 beta value is 45 degree, tan 45 is 1. So first option is correct answer. Cos power 4a plus 2 cos square a into 1 minus 1 by secant square a plus sin power 4a is equal to dash. Here is given cos power 4a plus 2 cos square a into 1 minus 1 by secant square a, that is cos square a plus sin power 4a, that is equal to cos power 4a plus 2 cos square a, 1 minus cos square a is sin square a plus sin power 4a, that is equal to cos power 4a is written as cos square a whole square plus 2 cos square a into sin square a plus sin power 4a is written as sin square a whole square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square, that is cos square a plus sin square a whole square. Cos square a plus sin square a value is 1. 1 square is equal to 1. That is first option is correct answer. Cos a comma sin a comma cot a are in GP, then find the value of cot power 6a plus cot power 4a is. Here is given cos a comma sin a comma cot a are in GP, that is in GP means b square is equal to AC, that is sin square a is equal to cos a into cot a, that is sin square a is equal to cos a into cot a value is cos a by sin a. Sin square a is equal to, here is cos a into cos a, cos square a by sin a. So sin square a by cos square a is equal to 1 by sin a, that is tan square a is equal to cosec a. Squaring on both sides, tan power 4a is equal to cosec square a. Therefore tan power 4a is equal to cosec square a means 1 plus cot square a. Tan power 4a is 1 by cot power 4a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Take cross multiplication. 1 is equal to cot power 4a into 1 plus cot square a. So 1 is equal to cot power 4a plus cot power 6a. The value of cot power 6a plus cot power 4a is 1. That is the answer. A is equal to sin 1 degree and b is equal to sin 1 is given. Here is given, a value is given, a is equal to sin 1 degree and b is equal to sin 1, that means sin 1 radians, that is 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees approximately 1 radian is equal to sin 57 degrees. So that is 57 degree is greater than 1 degree. Applying sin on both sides, sin 57 degree is greater than sin 1 degree. That is sin 57 degrees sin 1 is greater than sin 1 degree. Sin 1 is b, that is b greater than a, that is a less than b. Here is sin function is sin is increasing in first quadrant, that is q1. That's why a less than b. That is the answer. A is equal to cosec 2 degrees and b is equal to cosec 2. Then the relation between a and b is dash. Here is given small a is equal to cosec 2 degrees and b is equal to cosec 2. That means 2 radians, that is cosec 2 into 57 degrees, that is equal to cosec 114 degree. This is written as cosec of 180 minus 66 degrees, that is equal to 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cosec positive, that is cosec 60 degrees. Here is 2 degree is less than 66 degrees because cosec x is decreasing function, is decreasing in q1. So cosec 2 degree is greater than cosec 66 degrees, that is a greater than b. That is second option is cosec a is equal to given 4p plus 1 by 16p, then that implies cosec a plus cot a value is dash. Here is given cosec a is equal to 4p plus 1 by 16p. multiplying by 2 on both sides. 2 cosec A is equal to 2 into 4p 8p plus 2 by 16p, that is 1 by 8p. 2 cosec A is written as cosec A plus cosec A is equal to 8p plus 1 by 8p. This is written as cosec A plus cot A plus cosec A minus cot A, that is cot A add and subtracting, that is equal to 8p plus 1 by 8p. So the value of cosec A plus cot A is equal to 8p or 1 by 8p, that is fourth option is correct answer. X is equal to cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degrees. Then here is given x is equal to cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree. So x is equal to cos 10 degree is written as cos 90 minus 80 minus sin 10 degree, that is equal to cos 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant cos theta positive, here is 90, cos changes to sin, that is sin 80 degree minus sin 10 degree. Sin x is increasing function in Q1, that is x is equal to sin 80 minus sin 10 degree is equal to x is greater than 0. In a triangle ABC, angle C is given 90 degrees, then the equation whose roots are tan A, tan B are. Here in a triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, angle C is given, this is angle C, this is A and B. Angle C is given, that is 90 degrees. So BC length is small a, because opposite vertex of capital A is denoted by small a, and opposite vertex of capital B is denoted by small b, and opposite vertex of capital C is denoted by small c. From the figure, AB length is equal to small c and BC length is equal to small a and AC length is small b. From the right angle triangle, this is taken as theta. Tan A, this is A. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC by adjacent side CA, that is equal to A by B. So tan A is equal to A by B. And now from the figure, tan B is equal to, this is the angle tan B, opposite side is CA and adjacent side is BC, that is equal to CA by BC. CA is small b by A, therefore tan B is equal to B by A. Here is given tan A comma tan B are the roots. So equation of the quadratic equation is x square minus tan A plus tan B into x plus tan A tan B is equal to 0. That is x square minus tan A plus tan B, that is A by B plus B by A into x plus tan A, that is A by B into tan B, B by A is equal to 0. Here is A cancelled and BB cancelled, that is x square minus, take LCM, that is A square plus B square by AB into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem, that is BC square is equal to AC square, that is BA square is equal to AC square plus BC square, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square. The A square plus B square value is C square. Substituting in this, x square minus C square by AB into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is AB into x square minus c square into x plus ab is equal to 0. That is the answer. In a triangle ABC, 3 cos A plus 2 is equal to 0 is given. Then the quadratic equation whose roots are sin A comma tan A is. Here is a triangle ABC is given. So 3 cos A plus 2 is equal to 0. From this, cos A is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here is cos A is negative. That means capital A, angle A belongs to Q2. So now draw the triangle ABC. This is ABC. Cos A is given, that is 2, 3. This value is root 5. Now sin A is equal to opposite side root 5 by 2 and tan A is equal to root 5 by 2. Sin A is equal to root 5 by 3. Opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by hypotenuse, that is root 5 by 3, and tan A is equal to root 5 by 2. Here is given sin A comma tan A are the roots. Then the quadratic equation is x square minus sin A plus tan A into x plus sin A into tan A is equal to 0. X square minus sin A value is root 5 by 3 minus tan A root over 5 by 2. In second quadrant, tan A is negative and sin A is positive into x plus sin A root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 2 is equal to 0. X square minus x into, take LCM, this is 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5, that is minus root 5 by 6 into x plus into minus root 5 into root 5, that is 5 by 6 is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is 6x square plus root 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the, if 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin cube theta plus up to dash infinite is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 is given. 0 less than theta less than pi and theta is not equal to pi by 2, and that means theta belongs to first quadrant and second quadrant, then the theta value is dash. Here is given 1 plus sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin cube theta plus up to dash infinite is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Here is common ratio, that is sin theta by 1 is 1 and sin square theta by sin theta is sin theta and sin cube theta by sin square theta is sin theta. So common ratio is same. This series is a GP series, infinite GP series, that is S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. So 1 by A value is 1 minus R, common ratio is sin theta is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. This is 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Take rationalization, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3, that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is 4 square minus 2 root 3 whole square. Therefore 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 4 into 3 12, that is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. Therefore 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4 by 4 is 1, here is 2 times cancelled, that is root 3 by 2. Therefore sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to 60 degrees, that is pi by 3, and theta lies in second quadrant and second value is pi minus pi by 3, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore the values of theta is 60 degrees comma 120 degrees. If sin x plus cos x by cos cube x is equal to a tan cube x plus b tan square x plus c tan x plus d. Then the value of a plus b plus c plus d is equal to dash. Here is given the equation a tan cube x plus b tan square x plus c tan x plus d is equal to sin x plus cos x by cos cube x. So now the value of a plus b plus c plus d. So put x is equal to 45 degree in the given equation. A tan cube of 45 degrees plus b tan square of 45 degree plus c tan of 45 degree plus d is equal to sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree by cos cube of 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1, that is a into 1 cube is 1, b into tan 45 in 1 square is 1, c into tan 45 1 plus d is equal to sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 whole cube, that is a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole cube is 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal to 2 by root 2 into 2 root 2 by 1. Root 2 cancelled, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4. That is the answer. If cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b, then the value of cos power 4 theta by a plus sin power 4 theta by b is equal to dash. Here is given cos square theta by a is equal to sin square theta by b. From this equation, b by a is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta, that is tan square theta is equal to b by a. Tan theta is equal to root over b by a. Now draw the right angle triangle. This is b and this is a. This is root b and root a. This is root over a plus b. From this, sin theta is equal to, this is theta, sin theta is equal to root b by root over a plus b, and cos theta is equal to root a by root over a plus b. Now cos power 4 theta by a plus sin power 4 theta by b is equal to 1 by a into cos power 4 theta, that is squaring on both sides a by a plus b, again squaring, that is a square by a plus b whole square plus 1 by b into sin power 4 theta value is b square by a plus b whole square, that is equal to, here is a cancelled and bb cancelled, that is a by a plus b whole square plus b by a plus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b by a plus b whole square. So and a plus b on cancelled, that is equal to 1 by a plus b. That is the answer.